Okay, you have got the induction machine parameters from the lab experiment. Now, we would like to do performance analysis using PSpice. In order to do that, you have to change the parameters of induction machine here, X1, X2, Xm, R1, and R2. I have set up for you in simulation file for variable speed and speed in normalized form. And you need to get some key result here in terms of plot. The main plot, of course, torque speed characteristic of the induction machine. Others including efficiency, power factor versus speed. Also, input power, exit power, mechanical power versus speed. To do the simulation, you need to click the play button here. In order to get the plot, you need to click Add Trace. And here, I have already set for you in macros. That is the right side of the Add Traces panel. Go to Function or Macros and get Macros. Here, you can click quantities unit. For example, torque versus speed. This is torque versus speed. Here you need to verify 3 points in the plot. The first one is starting torque. Second one is maximum torque, and the third one somewhere here is rated torque. For this machine, rated speed occurs at 0.9 C. You have to find this speed in normalized form in order to get T. To get this torque, you have to get toggle cursor here. And here, the first point you have already obtained, that is starting torque. Just you need to mark label. And you got in Y coordinate because of XY given in PSpice. Therefore, you get Y for torque. And for the maximum torque, you just need to get cursor peak, and now cursor at peak, then get mark label. The same here, you get Y coordinate for torque, and the last one is rated torque. For the rated torque, you have to use cursor here and try to find for the red line. It is about for the red one. Okay, then you can use mouse or right and left arrow. Okay, this is about here for Y. That's all. From the plot, this is only the main plot. Other plot including you can get from the Windows display control. I have already set at the Windows display control Then this is for torque, power factor, and efficiency. Click restore. Then got 3 plots all together with different scale for the y-axis because of this waveform very large scale variation. Then you can see green plot for torque, power factor, red plot, and efficiency for blue plot. And other than this, you can go to Windows, display control, and get power in, power a gap and power for mechanical, and restore. You get this. Then from the plot, you can discuss, analyze in your report. Thank you very much.